If you're using Kraken to trade but haven't connected it to TradingView yet, you're missing out on smarter insights and better execution. Good news, it only takes a few clicks. Start by logging into your Kraken account and then go to API settings by going to your profile at the top right corner and then click on settings. Now from here, click on connections and API. From here, click on create API key and then enable query and query open orders and trades. Now create a name for this. I'm just going to type in trades, and then after that, click on generate key. Now you're going to generate this and then save your API keys, especially your private key as well, because you won't be able to view it once again. Now, what you're going to do is to just copy the key right here and then make sure that you have saved it. Now, after that, open TradingView and then click on the training panel at the bottom. You can find it right here. And then choose Kraken from the broker list. But from my list, I cannot find it. So if you don't find it on your list as well, click on Explore Broker. But in my area, brokers haven't joined TradingView, so I won't be able to view it, but you probably will. It'll prompt you to enter your API key and API secret. Paste them in, click connect, and you're in. Now you can place trades directly from TradingView, monitor Kraken balances, and even use pro level trading tools with your live account. It's seamless and saves time flipping between apps. Just remember, TradingView won't show every Kraken coin pair, only the ones it supports. So you'll get the most majors but not the really obscure ones. Once you connect, the convenience alone is game changer. And that's exactly how to do it, right here on How To Literally.